Hey everyone, I'm Sal Sincata, and in this month's Product Spotlight, we're going to talk about Adobe MAX. All right, if you're in the creative industry, you are working with an Adobe product in one form or fashion, and education around those products, inspiration around those products, there's no better place to go than Adobe MAX. I say this to you because I have been there. I love going to Adobe MAX. There's over 12,000 creatives that attended last year, and this year will be no different. And why do I love it? Because I'm surrounded by creatives. This is probably one of the most inspirational conferences I've ever been to. There's no way to explain it to you other than for you to go there. From the opening keynote, when you start seeing the futures of what Adobe has planned, to networking with your peers, to the connections you're making with vendors that are there. But my favorite feature of all is the Adobe Lab. Here you're able to play with the product, get help from staff. So anything you've been trying to do, from InDesign to Dreamweaver, to Lightroom, to Photoshop, everything is there for you as a creative. There's breakout sessions. I believe they have over 300 breakout sessions for you to attend. Again, everything from photography to graphic design to video. I have not been to a class there that I have not learned something. And I've been at this a long time, so that's got to tell you something. When you're sitting in some of these classes, listening to the experts, and you're picking up tidbits of gold. And so for me, this is a must-attend conference for creatives, but we got a great deal for you Shutter readers. I don't want to give you the wrong code. So Shutter readers, you're going to save $400 off your ticket using code M18PSM. So save $400 off your ticket. I'm going to be there. I hope to see you guys there. Time to get your learn on. Time to take those skills to that next level. Hope to see you at MAX.